तो the planning started late December last year. और गवर्नमेंट को भी हमने बताया, नास्कॉम फाउंडेशन, इंग्लिश, ओके, एंड देन वी वर इन टच विथ द नास्कॉम फाउंडेशन who became our CSR partner because they are experienced in kind of doing these kind of things before. So we got in touch with them and we said that okay, let's do it together. That is the time when government also declared this a year of AI in beginning of January, where we signed an MOU with them. So together with signing this with government and in close touch with NASCOM Foundation, we started working on it. So the course design, etc., took some time. But after that, the physical construction which had to happen in the month of April and May, it got delayed. And then it finished in October sometime. And then last 1 month, we are trying to set it up. And while the formal inauguration is today, some students, as we already discussed, have been enrolled. More than 120 students have already enrolled in the course, because now the course is being offered online as well, not only physically. So that is how much time it took, around 7 to 8 months from the execution part of it. Conceptualization was another 3 months. So there are courses at 2 levels. One for fundamentals, that means students who are in 8th standard to 12th standard. The basic idea is that we remove the myth that is complex, that it can be done only by few, and that's why we want early students enrollment, because when we are students, we learn faster than anybody else. And if we are not afraid of something, then we can do it much easier. So that is why the fundamental course. And then for existing seniors who are doing their BTech in final year or masters in final year, they can also enroll for an advanced course where they will be able to do a lot of. We are making available a lot of computing power to them, a lot of tinkering for them, so that they can experience. And for all those, we will also assign mentors from Hexagon, who will be able to help them to solve real industry problems. We are positively thinking about this, so we will wait for 1 year of the results to be seen before we decide for the next one. But I would certainly, if in discussion with government and with our own internal decision structure, we would like to try to open more such centers in the city. The city has given a lot to Hexagon. All the talents are living, staying, and we are also the first IT MNC of the city. Old name was Intergraph. So we have come a long journey after 33 years, and we would like to give back to the society. And this, I feel, is a wonderful way to give back to the society from the area of expertise that we already have. Yeah, as of now, what I'm only saying is that this first year we are learning, and we are limiting it to Telangana. But after a year or so, once we are confident of our delivery capabilities, of our scalability, then we might open it for students from beyond as well. So that is certainly there. Yeah.